let's get into them. First off, these shorts. These are a 1X, which would be a 16, and they are pretty loose. Really love the material because it's super like buttery and there's some stretch to it, and they are a great length. So I mean, you know, these could be corporate or just for a evening out, brunch, what have you. These are a go for sure. All right, this time we have a twofer. First of all, this silk camisole sleeves. I absolutely love the extra up here, so then it doesn't feel like the girls are completely hanging out, with the nice adjustable straps. And it's a decent length, as you can see. It covers most of the rear. And then these, what do you say, kind of snakeskinish looking semi-shiny leggings. These are nice and comfortable. They have a decent amount of keep you together, but not bad at all. And next up is this button-down shirt, which it's a large. Remember, I'm an XL, like 16ish. And typically my issue is the arms. It'll cut off right here. But this is actually really roomy. And the reason I went ahead and went for it in a large is because it was oversized. So with that, it actually fits like a regular shirt would for me in the oversized, but it's super nice, really comfortable. And this material is pretty nice and forgiving as well. So right here, I was super excited about because I absolutely love the color. The feel of the velvet is really nice. My only issue is it is tight in the arms, so I would need to size up on this one, but otherwise, this is nice. That's a cute length as well. Pretty playful. Oh, and yeah, let's not forget the inside. No, it doesn't coordinate, but it's cute. Details. And we have another jumpsuit. This one, it is long sleeve, and it is a corduroy material. It doesn't feel too bad. And these look like buttons, but thankfully they are snaps, so it's not too bad. And again, it fits properly everywhere, or a wide leg, which is would definitely be awesome in the winter because you put on a full layer underneath and still have room to be all right.